Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I am your quant educator and today I am going to discuss about the RRB vacancies which has been released by IBPS. Guys, as we all know that the notification is released and the registration has started, and I have already made a video on how to fill the RRB form video. Okay, so but before we start this video, those who have not installed the Entry app must do it at once and start giving free high quality mocks and video classes. Whether we are talking about sectional test, mock test, quizzes, everything is available on this platform, and the link of this app is in the description of this video. So let's start this vacancies debate and let's have a comparison with the previous year vacancies of IBPS RRB. Okay, so share this video and do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. And yes, those who want to have a conversation regarding their preparation can contact on this number and can join us on WhatsApp via this number. Okay, so let's start this video. First of all, let me introduce you about the vacancies of the year 2020, that is previous year vacancies. Okay, so the office assistant vacancies were 5956, all right, approximately, and for officer scale there were 4343, that means approximately 4000 vacancies in the previous year. So if you calculate at the scale 2, you will see around 1100 plus vacancies. Okay, the later part has been updated. Now scale 3 vacancy was offered 159, so there were huge amount of vacancies, and in fact 10,000 vacancies, approximately 10,000 plus vacancies were there. So this time let's see how much vacancies are there in the current year. So here is the vacancies for the current year, that is 2021, and we have already made you clear that IBPS will not delay the vacancy of what RRBs, because RRBs were reporting, and we have already mentioned that RRBs are reporting to IBPS regarding their vacancies, and you will soon see the notification coming out from the IBPS. And yesterday it has been released, so let's have a comparison. Similar kind of vacancies has been released this year as well. Look at this, 10,676. okay, for office assistant 5,000 plus, for officer scale 1 4,000 plus, and rest of them are like this. Okay, so you can compare it. I believe 2020 is approximately similar to 2021, so it's a good news. 10,000 are more than enough to qualify the examination, and lots of aspirants have already been qualified. Now let's talk about the state-wise vacancies which has been provided by IBPS. Okay, and you have to report in those bank which you are going to choose in the time of filling the form. So let's have a look at that, and first start with the alphabetically, and it is what? Andhra Pradesh. Look at this, Andhra Pradesh is providing good number of vacancies. They have 3 banks, all right, Andhra Pragati, Chaitanya, Saptagiri, and they are providing 59 plus 55, and if you count all these data, you will see your vacancies will be in 3 digit. All right, 3 digit vacancies will be provided. All right, so you can calculate that. Now after that, start with Arunachal Pradesh, which is provided only 3 vacancies. Okay, so it's a smaller state and you can understand that. After that, Assam is going to provide 100 plus vacancies. Look at this, 18, 9, 33, 12 and 50 alone the general candidate. After that, let's start with the Hindi belt. Bihar has 2 banks, Dakshin Bihar Gramin and Uttar Bihar Gramin. Look at this, they are going to provide lots of vacancies. Bihar, the Hindi belt, is going to provide, look at this, 198 plus 132 plus 37 plus 74 plus 49. So you can expect lots of vacancies in the 3 digit. All right, if you count at that, you will see 3 digit vacancies. So you are in good shape, because in the previous year we have not seen as much vacancies as we have seen in the current year, especially in the Bihar region. Okay, look at this, Chhattisgarh, 54 plus 6, that is 60 vacancies, 2 digit. After that, the Western Belt, Gujarat is providing the same number of, approximately same number of vacancies as it provided the previous year. Okay, so you'll see a 3 digit vacancies, but yes, it is comparatively lesser than Bihar. Okay, after that, Haryana is also providing 3 digit vacancies. So it's a good news for aspirants of Hindi belt, who I believe are not going to divide among the choosing of states. Okay, यानी states choose करने में वो divide नहीं होंगे, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है इस बार, क्योंकि if you look at this, Haryana, Bihar, and the third one is the biggest belt, Uttar Pradesh. These three regions provides large number of requirements, and in my opinion, this year we have not seen smaller vacancies in the Hindi belt. So that means the people will not divide and they will stick to their origin state. Okay. After that, Himachal is also providing a good number of vacancies, 3 digit vacancies. Look at this, Jammu Kashmir, it provides the same number of, exactly the same number of vacancies as it provided the previous year. Okay, so Jharkhand is not as much large number of vacancies, so you can expect that the people from Jharkhand should move to Bihar, all right, if they are filling the form, or they can choose their own state. All you need is one seat, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, Karnataka, the southern, look, the Karnataka is a disappointing one. Why? Because Karnataka is not providing any of the vacancy, but yes, you can expect the upgradation in the vacancies, and some of the vacancies can be added in this region as well. So for Karnataka people, I'm sorry, you don't have any of the vacancy for office assistant. Remember that. Kerala also doesn't have. So that means the southern state is not providing as number of vacancies as we are expecting. After that, Madhya Pradesh. Look at this. The Madhya Pradesh is also a Hindi belt, and it is also providing a good handsome number of vacancies. Yes, it is not as large as compared to the Bihar or Haryana, but yes, you can expect that some of the vacancies are there, and people will not be divided. Maharashtra region is providing comparatively smaller number of vacancies from the previous year. Okay, but it is a bit of similar. So after that, the belt of eastern region, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, they will provide a smaller number of vacancies. Why? Because these are the smaller states, so you can expect only one bank will be there for the operation, so that means they will not provide as much vacancies. Okay, Odisha is also providing this approximately same number of vacancies as it is provided previous year. Puducherry will also provide same. Yes, Punjab has increased its vacancies comparatively last year. Okay, so you can expect a good number of turnaround. Look at this, the Hindi belt again, it is not divided. MP and Rajasthan, people generally oftenly moves towards each other state, but in my opinion, if they are providing enough number of vacancies, to not going to split into the region wise. Okay, तो यहाँ पे बटेंगे नहीं ऐसा लग रहा है. तमिलनाडु, this is the southern state, and it is going to provide you a handsome number of vacancies. Okay, so you can expect people to turn up and give the examination very competitively. Okay, after that, Telangana is also going to provide a really good number of vacancies, so you can expect that these southern states are covering the above southern states lack of vacancies. And here comes the biggest battle, Uttar Pradesh. Tripura is a smaller vacancy, and Uttar Pradesh is providing handsome number of vacancies. Look at this, 386, 254, 94, 197, 9, and some really good vacancies. So you can expect around approximately 1000 or 900 to thousand. Okay, you can expect that. I might be wrong in the calculation, so I have not calculated yet, but in my opinion I think it's not, it's around 800, approximately 800 number of vacancies are there. So it's a huge vacancy. And look at this, Uttarakhand is not providing as much number of vacancies. That means you can expect people from Uttarakhand to move to Uttar Pradesh. Expect people from Bihar to move to Uttar Pradesh. So remember, these are some really important issues and you need to sort out, because UP is going to face lots of competition. Yes, some of the people can also come from Rajasthan and MP. So don't get nervous. Just start preparing. And West Bengal is providing around 3-digit number of vacancies, 200 to 300. Okay. So these are the number of vacancies. I hope you all have understood. For office assistant, let's talk about officer scale. Officer scale started with again Andhra Pradesh, and it is a comparatively reasonably well number of vacancies. Okay. And after that, Arunachal, Assam, Bihar, they are providing handsome number of vacancies. So the similar ratio is being provided for officer scale vacancies as well. Okay. Chhattisgarh will also provide a good number of vacancies. Gujarat will provide the similar kind of ratio which they have provided in the office assistant. Haryana, and look at this, Haryana has 53 general and approximately 50 for the rest of the category. Himachal Pradesh will also have a good number of vacancies. Jammu Kashmir reasonably well. Jharkhand reasonably well. Okay, so Karnataka again absent from here. So Karnataka is completely absent. Not just Karnataka, it's Kerala as well. After that, Madhya Pradesh is providing good number of vacancies. Okay, for PO level. Alright, so it's good. People will not be divided as much. Maharashtra, according to their office assistant ratio, are also providing good number of vacancies for the PO. Again, the eastern states, they are not providing as much. Why? Because they must not have that kind of vacancies available. So that's why. Odisha, one bank is absent, and the second bank, Utkal Gramin Bank, is providing good number of vacancies in the PO. Okay, so let's talk about the Punjab, the Rajasthan, the Uttar Pradesh, the Uttarakhand. Look at this. Uttar Pradesh again is providing large number of vacancies. Look at this. You don't need to count on that. Why? Because everything is looking at the table. Okay. So Punjab is also providing. So in my opinion, you have a really good chance of clearing the examination. What I feel after looking at this table is that people from Bihar, Uttarakhand, and people from Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan can be a competition for Uttar Pradesh residents. Why? Because in my opinion, the Hindi belt is going to challenge a very good competition in the coming days. So prepare for that and do not worry about it, because we are with you and we will keep bringing all the latest information regarding the upcoming notification and upcoming updation in the vacancies. So that's it from my side, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed this session. Look, the vacancies can be updated. Once it updated, we will definitely be there to provide you the information. Okay, so keep watching Entry for the latest information, and do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. So thank you.